In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import your memory from any AI into Claude. So whether you are switching from ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, I'm going to show you how you can import a memory from them to Claude, alright? And the first step is you want to open our profile in bottom left corner, then you want to go to settings, and in the settings, you want to look for capabilities. And here you have option to import memory from other AI providers. So if you click on Start Import, it's going to give you those instructions where you have to copy this prompt into a chat with your other AI provider. So I'm going to simply copy the prompt, and let's say we'll open ChatGPT and simply want to paste the prompt and enter the prompt. And now we just have to wait for the instructions. And you can see everything in this prompt from ChatGPT. This is the complete set of stored memories currently available. And you want to simply copy this. All right. And in the Claude, paste the results below. So I'm going to paste it in. And then I'm going to add to memory. And then it should update the memory in Claude based on your ChatGPT memory. And now from here you can see everything from your memory. So I'm gonna blur it because I have some informations which I don't want to share, but you will see everything yours. And then you can also click see what Claude learned about you. I updated my memory. What did you learn about me? And then it's going to create some summary about you. And this is basically how you can import memory from different AI to Claude. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.